Hello, my name is Emily Mina, and this is my diversity book extension. The books I chose were Just a Little Different by Gina and Mercer Mayer, Thank You World by Alice G. B. McGinty, and Published Tree by Pat Mora. The first book I'm going to talk about is Just a Little Different. This was written and illustrated by Gina and Mercer Mayer. This is a book from the Little Critters series. A summary of the book. In this story, a new little critter moves into the neighborhood. His name is Zach, but he is different from the rest. His dad is a turtle and his mom is a rabbit. Little Critter gets mad when his friends make fun of Zach. Little Critter invites Zach over to play and finds out that he is just like him. At the end of the story, Little Critter gets everyone to see just how special Zach is. This book is for age levels 1st grade to 2nd grade. It could also be used in kindergarten or pre-K if it was read aloud to the students. An extension activity that I thought would pair great with this book is that the teachers can use this book to teach about how everyone is different. The teacher can assign a writing assignment and have children write about what makes them special. The next book that I chose was Thank You World by Alice B. McGinty, illustrated by Wendy Anderson Halpern. The summary is, this story is told through the illustrations. The author gives a sentence telling about a physical appearance of the earth. Through the illustrations, children are able to see the diversity of different cultures around the world. This book would be better for upper level primary ages, grades 2nd grade and 3rd grade. An extension activity that I found to do with this book would be an art extension. Once you have read the book and explained the illustrations to the class, the teacher can read one page and then have the students illustrate what that would look like at their home. The teacher and the students would be able to see how many cultures are in their classroom. The last book that I chose is Published Tree by Pat Mora and illustrated by Cecily Lang. Pablo is a young boy that lives with his mother. Pablo is celebrating his 5th birthday. In this story, the reader gets to know about a family tradition this Hispanic family holds. The reader also learns about the gift of adoption when they find out that Pablo was adopted as a baby. This book would be great for a 3rd grade level. There is some Spanish written throughout the story, so that is something that would need to be addressed as a whole group. The teacher could do a writing extension with this book. Vocabulary can be extended with a lesson on traditions. Children can write about a special tradition that is held in their family. Overall, I think all these books would be great to teach about diversity and multicultural tendencies in the classroom.